In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. If you're working with a spreadsheet and notice repeated entries, Google Sheets has a built-in tool that makes cleaning up your data quick and easy. This is especially useful when you're organizing contact lists, inventory tables, sign-up forms, or any dataset where duplicate values can create confusion or affect your results. I'll walk you through the process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along confidently. To begin, open your Google Sheet and locate the group of cells that contains the duplicate entries you want to clean up. Once you've found it, highlight the full range of cells you want Google Sheets to check. It's important to select the correct range here, because the tool will only analyze the cells you've highlighted. If your data is arranged in a table, make sure you include all the relevant rows and columns, so the results stay accurate. Next, move to the top menu and click Data. This menu contains several tools related to sorting, filtering, and cleaning information in your spreadsheet. After clicking Data, look for the option called Data Cleanup. Hover your mouse over it to reveal the submenu, and then select Remove Duplicates. A settings window will appear, and this is where you'll tell Google Sheets exactly how to evaluate your data. If the first row of your selection contains column titles, make sure to check the box indicating that your data has a header row. This helps Google Sheets avoid treating those labels like regular data. Then, choose the columns you want to analyze for duplicates. This part is helpful if you only want to compare specific columns rather than the entire selection. For example, you might want duplicates removed based on one key field or based on a combination of multiple columns. Once your settings look correct, click Remove Duplicates. Google Sheets will scan the selected range, remove repeated entries based on your choices, and then show you a confirmation message explaining how many duplicates were found and removed. This gives you a quick way to verify that the cleanup worked as expected. After that, take a moment to review your sheet and confirm that the remaining data looks right. It's always a good idea to double-check, especially before sharing the file or using the information in reports or calculations. That's all it takes to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.